When Vidya and her husband bought their first house, you may know the feeling.
It's wonderful, actually.
Of course, if you own a home, you know there's always things you want to do. For Vidya, it was install impact-resistant windows.
It'll be a good investment for a new home to protect your home, as well as to get our insurance down.
Vidya found a company that would do the job for $15,000, and they also told her about a business that would loan her the money for the windows.
Where if you qualify, they can finance the windows for you, and you pay for it through your property taxes.
Vidya liked that, but she was careful because she had been told the lender could place a lien on the property to guarantee they got repaid. Vidya talked to the window company salesperson about that.
If a lien is going to be placed on my property, I'm not going to do this. She assured me. She said, no, it is not going to happen. And based on her assurances, that's when I signed those documents.
The financing papers were signed. The windows were installed. The before and after pictures looked great. And then Vidya decided to refinance her home.
Lower mortgage rate. I'm going to be paying lower.
But her refinancing was turned down because, yes, there was a lien on her house from the company that loaned the money for the windows.
I was thrown off. I didn't even realize that this had happened because I thought we had crossed that bridge. You know, no lien.
Vidya went back through the paperwork from the lender called Y-Green. In several places, the loan was called a special assessment. And then in paragraph 6, it says, the lien securing the obligation to pay the special assessment will be senior to all private liens. When Vidya signed the papers, she didn't realize that meant a lien was being placed on her house, and so she called the lender.
The person I spoke to basically told me that they would have mentioned it when they were speaking to me. So I was like, no, nobody mentioned anything about a lien.
Vidya is now facing a lien for the next 20 years, or until the window loan is paid off.
You know, and I just couldn't believe that what I tried to prevent was actually happening.
Well, Howard, are Vidya and her husband stuck with the lien?
For the time being, yes, they are. But several people have claimed they did not understand what they were signing. And lawyers in California and Florida are suing this company, accusing them of what the law calls fraud in the inducement, meaning you were misled to sign. However, the case is still being fought in court, and the judge has not yet decided the claims.
We called the window installation company, Florida Home Improvement Associates, to ask about their salesperson's claim there would be no lien on the house. They've not returned any of our calls. We spoke to Y-Green, the finance company. A spokesman wrote, there isn't a history of complaints for this contractor. They added, we recognize our financing structure is unique, and it's why we take great care to advise our customers of the financing clearly. If there's any good news for Vidya, it's learning she's not alone.
I think there are a lot of people who don't know that there's a lien on their property.
Now, with a Fort Lauderdale attorney filing the class action lawsuit, Howard says people like Vidya should be patient and let a judge decide if the liens are proper. We'll keep an eye on the lawsuit for you. Got a problem you think would generate great interest, ready to lean on someone? Contact us and let us make it pay off for you. With this, help me, Howard, I'm Patrick Frazier, 7 News.